Engineering drawing is a two-dimensional representation of three-dimensional objects. In general, it provides necessary information about the shape, size, surface quality, material, manufacturing process, etc., of the object. It is the graphic language from which a trained person can visualize objects. Drawings prepared in one country may be utilized in any other country irrespective of the language spoken. Hence, engineering drawing is called the universal language of engineers. Any language to be communicative should follow certain rules so that it conveys the same meaning to everyone. Similarly, drawing practice must follow certain rules if it is to serve as a means of communication. For this purpose, Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, adapted the International Standards on Code of Practice for Drawing. The other foreign standards are, DIN of Germany, BS of Britain and ANSI of America.